Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your date of birth on JOI. So let's get started. First, open your JOI application. Make sure you are logged into your JOI account. Now tap on the pencil icon. Tap on the birthday option. Now select your birth date. Once you are done, tap on the Done button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can change your date of birth on JOI. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.